Hello children, welcome to Kids Worksheets. Today we will learn domestic animals. Let's start domestic animals with spelling. Cow. This is a cow. C-O-W. Cow. This is a cow. C-O-W. Goat. This is a goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Goat. G-O-A-T. This is a sheep. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Sheep. Dog. This is a dog. D-O-G. Dog. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Cat. This is a cat. C-A-T. Cat. This is a cat. Camel. This is a camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Pig. This is a pig. P-I-G. Pig. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. Buffalo. This is a buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Horse. This is a horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Hen. This is a hen. H-E-N. Hen. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Duck. This is a duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Let's revise. Cow, goat, sheep, camel, dog, cat, pig, buffalo, horse, hen, duck. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you children. See you next video.